Hi, this is Cameron with CanCam CNC machines, and here we're going to show you our maintenance process for our B1 series machine. On the left side of our gantry we have our oil pump. Just above the oil pump we have a distributor here which splits all the oil between all of our linear guides and rails. To prime your pump, you'd want to pump this 3 or 4 times. Once primed, we're then going to continue pumping until we see oil distributed accordingly to each linear guide or ball screw. Right next to our oil pump, we have our first set of linear guides. There's one at the front of this gantry and at the back as well. This will be the first location where you'll see the oil arrive. Here on the right side of our gantry, we have the next set of linear guides. There's one on the front and one on the back. This is the furthest location from the oil pump on the other side. So this is also the last place where you'll see the oil arrive. Here we're looking at the Z-axis ball screw, the ball nut, and the linear guides. This is where you'll want to look to verify that the oil is getting to all 3 of those components. Looking at our X-axis here, we have our cover. This simply just pulls out, and that will give us access to the ball screw and linear rails. Here we're looking at our ball screw and linear guides. This is where you'll want to ensure that the oil is getting through the tubes all the way to the ball nut and linear guides. For our vacuum table on our B series, there's gasket below the spoil board. To make sure that you're getting good suction, you're going to want to make sure that this gasket is in good shape and there's no rips or tears. For our spoil board that sits on top of the gasket, we want to make sure the surface is clean above and below to ensure that any material you place on the spoil board stays in place. For our Y-axis linear rail, we'll also want to make sure that there's no dirt, dust, or debris buildup. And if there is, we take a soft cloth and wipe the rail down. Make sure to clean your collet. And the collet nut. Thank you for joining us for our maintenance video here at CanCam CNC Machines. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@cancam.ca.